Hello students. In last lecture we have discussed introduction of synthetic polymers and classification of synthetic polymers. There are two types of polymers. First one is additional polymers and second one is condensation polymers. Polyvinyl chloride, polyvinyl acetate, polystyrene, all these are the example of additional polymers. In last lecture we have discussed all these points. Today we are going to discuss the next type, that is condensation polymers. Condensation polymers are formed by combination of monomers with the elimination of simple molecules such as H2O or CH3OH. In this condensation reaction, two molecules are combined but one molecule is eliminated, maybe H2O or CH3OH. Example of condensation polymer, first example is nylon 66. It is most important polyamide. Amide group is present, number of amide groups are present, therefore this is called as a polyamide. It is obtained by heating adipic acid with hexamethylene diamine under nitrogen at 200 degree. This is the procedure of polymerization. Nylon 66, the name obtained from its starting materials adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine, both of which have 6 carbons. म्हणजे याला नायलॉन 66 हे नाव का आलं तर याच्या स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल्स म्हणजे हा कशापासून बनतोय, ॲडिपिक ॲसिड आणि हेक्झामिथिलीन डायमाइन, टू डिफरंट मोनोमर्स आर प्रेझेंट, देअरफॉर दिस इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ कोपॉलिमर. हे कशाचं एक्झाम्पल आहे, कोपॉलिमरचं आहे आणि याचं नाव कशामुळे पडलं, दोन्हीही मोनोमर्समध्ये 6 कार्बन ॲटम असतात म्हणून इट इज दिस नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाऊंड इज नायलॉन 66. See, this is the adipic acid CH2 COOH CH2 taken 4 times COOH and hexamethylene diamine. When it heated, one water molecule is eliminated and formation of the compound COOH CH2 taken 4 times CO, this NH linkage, and CH2 taken 6 times NH2 plus one water molecule is eliminated, and further reaction at each end. In polymerization, repeatedly same reaction occur and we get the compound nylon 66. This is the reaction. Nylon 66 was developed as a synthetic fiber for the production of stocking and other wearing apparels. It is used to make fibers for clothing and carpeting. क्लॉथ आणि कार्पेटिंगचे फायबर बनवण्यासाठी याचा उपयोग केला जातो. अँड इट ऑल्सो यूज्ड ॲज अ रोप्स, ब्रिस्टल्स ऑफ ब्रशेस. नेक्स्ट वन इज द नेक्स्ट polymer is nylon 6. It is made from caprolactam. The reaction is initiated by hydrolysis of caprolactam to omega amino caproic acid, which is further attacks caprolactam, and it is known as ring opening polymerization. Here, this is the caprolactam. First hydrolysis of caprolactam, we get the compound omega caprolic acid, attack on the second molecule of caprolactam, and first here ring opening reaction occur and formation of here nylon 66. We get the nylon 66. Sorry, nylon 6. This is the nylon 6. And all these nylons possesses almost similar properties. Nylon 6 is polymer of major importance in synthetic fiber industries. Means this is the use of the nylon 6 is used in fiber industries. Next one is natural rubber. These two are the example of condensation polymers. Now next one is natural rubbers. Natural rubbers is a hydrocarbon polymer built from the monomer isoprene. raw rubber obtained from milky sap or latex of the rubber trees does not possess the characteristic of rubber with which we are familiar. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की रबरच्या लॅटेक्सपासनं रबरच्या झाडापासनं जे लॅटेक्स येतं त्याच्यामध्ये ह्या प्रॉपर्टीज नसतात. कुठल्या की इलॅस्टिसिटी आहे, त्याची जी स्ट्रेंथ आहे ती नसते. त्याच्यामध्ये ती डेव्हलप करावी लागते. इन ऑर्डर टू गिव्ह द स्ट्रेंथ अँड इलॅस्टिसिटी इट इज व्हॉल्कनाइज्ड. व्हॉल्कनायझेशन मीन्स in the vulcanization process, raw rubber is mixed with small amount of sulfur and heated. The sulfur react with polymer molecules forming cross-linked net. This cross-linked net gives a mechanical strength to the rubber, and in addition, fillers such as carbon and zinc oxide are usually added to crude rubber before vulcanization in order to improve its wearing characters. त्याच्यातले कॅरेक्टर्स इम्प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी आपण ह्याचा वापर करतो. अँड दिस इज द जनरल रिॲक्शन आयसोप्रीन CH2 CH CH2 CH CH2. When it undergoes polymerization, we get the natural rubber. This is the natural rubber. Now, second one is synthetic rubber. Two types of rubber, natural and synthetic rubbers. Synthetic rubber example is, first example is a neoprene. It was first synthetic rubber manufactured on large scale. The monomers chloropene is prepared from acetylene. Actually, see here, first is acetylene react with cuprous chloride. In presence of ammonium chloride, we get the compound vinyl acetylene. Vinyl acetylene, when heated, first chloropene is formed, and this chloropene undergoes polymerization. 1,4 addition takes place and we get the compound neoprene. This neoprene is a particularly resistance to chemical actions and therefore used in making hoses of for petrol and oils. म्हणजे पेट्रोल पंपावरती जे पाईप्स असतात ते बनवण्यासाठी, अँड कंटेनर्स ऑफ करोजिव्ह केमिकल्स. करोजिव्ह केमिकल्स ठेवण्यासाठी जे कंटेनर्स आहेत त्याच्या ते बनवण्यासाठी सुद्धा सिंथेटिक रबर्सचा म्हणजे निओप्रीनचा उपयोग केला जातो. दीज आर द युजेस. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज the Buna-N or NBR, acrylonitrile butadiene rubber. This is the name of second type of synthetic rubber. It is a copolymer, means it contains 75% butadiene and 25% acrylonitrile. It can be vulcanized by conventional method using sulfur. आता आपण जी कन्व्हेन्शनल मेथड पाहिली व्हॉल्कनायझेशनची तीच मेथड इथे पण वापरतात. इट इज रेजिस्ट टू हीट. दीज आर दी प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ Buna-N. Sunlight, acid and swelling action of petrol, lubricating oil and many other organic solvents. Hence, it is used in fuel tanks, conveyor belt, higher altitude aircraft components. हे सगळे बनवण्यासाठी these are the uses of this Buna-N type rubber. And we see the procedure for the preparation. This is the 1,3-butadiene. When it reacts with vinyl cyanide and when it undergoes polymerization, we get the compound Buna-N. This is the synthesis of Buna-N type. Next one is the silicon rubber. Silicon rubber is vulcanized polymer of silicon resin which is prepared from dialkali diacylane through condensation reaction. This is the dialkali diacylane. Two molecules here condensation occur. In between these two molecules of dialkali diacylane, we get one water molecule is eliminated and we get the dimer first. This dimer, when undergoes propagation, you know the steps: initiation, propagation and termination. In first case, they are initiated, formation of dimer, after that propagation and formation of silicon rubber. These are the steps for the preparation of silicon rubber. म्हणजे आपल्याला माहिती आहे मेकॅनिझम हे आपण तुम्हाला मेकॅनिझम नसल्यामुळे डायरेक्ट प्रोसिजर्स घेतल्या की कसं फॉर्मेशन होतं कुठल्या मॉलिक्यूलच्या रिॲक्शन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला प्रॉडक्ट मिळतो. ॲक्च्युअली इन मेकॅनिझम फ्री रॅडिकल मेकॅनिझम अँड आयोनिक मेकॅनिझम टू मेकॅनिझम्स आर दिअर फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ पॉलिमर्स. पॉलिमर्सचं प्रिपरेशन करण्यासाठी फ्री रॅडिकलनी पहिल्यांदा इनिशिएशन होतं, मग प्रोपोगेशन आणि मग नंतर टर्मिनेशन. मग टर्मिनेशनचे पुन्हा आपण प्रकार, तर हे तुमच्या सिलेबसला नसल्यामुळे हे घेतलेलं नाही. तुम्ही 12th स्टँडर्डला हे सगळं बघितलेलं आहे. नाऊ सी द प्रॉपर्टीज अँड युजेस. दीज आर दी main properties. First one is the stability at elevated temperature. It is chemically inert, it is non-toxic, and good electric insulating properties also present, and outstanding water repellence. All these are properties of silicon rubber. And uses, these polymers are used in surface coatings in manufacturing लॅमिनेट्ससाठी जे सरफेसवरती जी कोटिंग केली जाते त्यासाठी याचा उपयोग केला जातो. दीज आर दी uses of silicon rubber. In this way here this chapter synthetic polymer is completed. Next chapter we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.